Hello everyone, my name is Alves-smyth and I'm here to share with you how to make moon water. And how exciting is that? It's very simple, but it's wonderful. Moon is full of magnetic qualities that we can maybe borrow in our drinking water, in a beautiful cleansing bath. Just add a few drops and the whole water just changes the water element within us. So what do we need? We need a glass jar with a cover, ideally. We need a crystal, if you have one and you want to use them. I picked some rose crystal. Make sure that the crystal that you're choosing, it's safe to use mixed with water, drinkable water. Okay, then also piece of fabric. This is cotton, and just a rubber band. What you see here, there's just like little add-ons. I like to make a little altar where I prepare the moon water, and then once the water is prepared and I place it outside, I bring it back to the altar. Usually this altar, it's not here, I do it in my kitchen. It's always accessible, it's practical, and you drink water every day, normally from the kitchen, so that's where I keep my jar and my little spoons. Okay, this is an example of the water that I did last month, the last moon. This is labradorite, it's a beautiful stone, and that's rose with amazonite. I'm keeping this one for the last few days because this is very purging. So I don't want it to be confusing you. If you want to start not small but simple, maybe choose one stone. Okay, so let's start. So take your crystals or crystal, place them on your right hand and have the intention of charging these crystals. And we're going to speak, you're going to use the language of your higher self. I want to open up your energy channels in your body. I want you to draw upon ancient energy of the old worlds of magic and pull the energy now into your right hand and charge the crystals. I want you to open up for love and light. I want you to cultivate self-love, acceptance. I want you to open up for magic and intuition and trust in your powers. I want you to clear any negativity and open up for unconditional love. And you can add anything else that you'd like. And then you can place the crystals upon a jar. And you can pour some water. And you can cover with a fabric. And there, it's ready to be placed outside and let the moon work its magics. And then take a little drop every day, at least, in your coffee, in your water, in your food, and enjoy. Thank you.